three of us will kind of parse out whether she met the requirements that she set for herself last semester, and if there's any caveats or specific changes that we look for, or if she's released at that point. And then we'll pull her back in the room and give her some overall feedback and talk about maybe the future of the project a little bit. And
yeah, hopefully.
And that's that, right?
Okay.
So we'll kind of ignore the flashing lights, and the floor is yours.
Okay. Okay, so good evening, everybody, and I just close the door. I'll start by introducing my committee members. That's Professor Will Lindsay, and he has been my thesis advisor, and on my he's been involved in the process since last semester. So he's been in the process since the initial stages to the final stage. That's Professor Ashley Pickford, and he is a professor at Delaware University and a member on my thesis committee who is outside of PhilaU. That's Professor Will Bowman, and he has been involved in my thesis process since January, and he is also a professor at Philadelphia University. Okay, so tonight I am presenting my thesis project, which is called the Active Bulletin, and it is an interactive tool for advertising and communication, which is basically based on motion detection technology. And the whole concept about Active Bulletin is where people can actually come on to a bulletin board or an information board where information is projected and have the ability to maneuver with the information and have the choice to select the information they want to view. It's a two-part project basically. This is an interactive graffiti, which is an important part of Active Bulletin, and it is basically for getting the viewers or the audience into pulling the or attracting them into the whole system, and sort of laying a foreground for the main display board. The interactive graffiti is based on the left and right motion of the viewers. So basically this was designed just as a random interface right now, and it's just displaying Active Bulletin, what it is, like just random things, and that's the main interface. I'll talk a little bit about how the idea of Active Bulletin came to my mind. I was just walking by our Canberra campus center, and I noticed this LCD screen which projected information, campus information and upcoming events and things like that, and I sort of noticed students just walking past it without even noticing it, and I thought that why not make a system where people get attracted to it and sort of have fun interacting with it and have the ability to choose whatever they want to view basically. So this is how I came up with this system. So basically, as you can see, it goes in the automated mode and just carousels through where the ads keep looping around, and then one can just come in front and like do that. So it's because the
Sure.
yeah, so it does that. Now this system has an administrative website through which the ad providers can upload information through it, and I'll just demonstrate how that works. Right now it's on my local server. This is an administrative website where only registered users or registered administrative users can go on and log in, and they can browse and upload. They can give the start date, and the end date, and submit, and if they want to upload more they can upload. But then after they do that, it goes into the data folder and sits there. This is what I uploaded right now, it gets uploaded on the system.
Just need to close some windows.
Yeah. No.
Never works.
You want to close it and reopen it?
Yeah, I'd close processing and reopen
Okay.
if you're not compiled out.
Please work. No. I think I know what the problem is. I just have to fix the XML.
Can you just delete the image you uploaded?
Yeah, I have to delete it from the XML.
Open it with Notepad, if you can. It's simpler.
You may be able to increase the memory size and preferences.
I don't think that helps. But I'll just do that and check.
Yeah.
Okay. So basically the interface, to talk about the interface, it's really simple and this makes the learning curve very low. For example, once a new user comes and walks past it, the camera sort of detects the motion of the user, and he learns by what's the system doing and just starts using it. So I have kept the interface really very simple so that any kind of user, like even my grandfather, will be able to pick this up and use this very quickly. So this is what Active Bulletin is, and I will talk a little about how generic the system is. This is portraying just the ads, but it can be used in a lot of applications. Like it can be used on university campuses, it can be used in restaurants where they portray their menu, and you can just scroll through menu, select what you want. You can stop where you want, and just you can use them in places like banquets and hotels. So it's generic, and apart from that, the interactive graffiti can be customized such that it's targeted towards a certain event or a certain advertisement which is related to the Active Bulletin. For example, if a university has its 125th anniversary celebration, the graffiti can show 125th anniversary celebration, and then the Active Bulletin can show the programs and things like that. So this is what it is, and basically the installation right now is an LCD and a computer, but to take it further, it can be made such that the whole program is combined into an LCD which has an integrated camera maybe, so it can be used in public places like malls and stuff. So this is my attempt to take advertising to a next level.